This is going to be a video tutorial on how to always continue where you left off in Mozilla Firefox. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Firefox web browser opened up now. To always continue where you left off, that means to restore your previous session. First thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings. I'm going to click on Settings. Then on the page that opens up, on the pane off to the left hand side, I am on the General tab. And the first thing up here says Startup. Open previous windows and tabs. You want to make sure that that is checked there. If that is not checked, you're not going to restore your previous session. You want to check that, and that's all you need to do. Now, if you have that checked and your previous session is not being restored, then there's an issue with your browser. It could be an extension issue. Could be your machine itself. You would have to Google search and explore reasons why your previous session is not being restored. But that is how to restore your previous session in the Firefox web browser. Thanks for watching.